Hi guys, today I will share with you how I create a modern pyramidal flower arrangement using lilies, roses and much more. Let's start by selecting a beautiful ceramic pot for our arrangement, and since it is waterproof on the inside, we can proceed directly to prepping our floral foam. If you need more detailed instructions, feel free to watch my other video on the subject. So let's go very quickly over the steps. Fill a bucket with room temperature water, neither too cold nor too hot. Place it in the bucket and allow it to absorb water naturally. Avoid pushing it down into the water as this can seal it and stop proper absorption in the center. In about 10 minutes, the foam should be fully saturated and ready to be used. Place it inside the container and adjust it to your desired height. I prefer the center part of the floral foam to be slightly taller than the edges. Make sure to fill any gaps with leftover pieces to secure the main piece in the center of the container. You can also add some more water to your foam if you like. Round off any sharp edges. This will make it easier to insert the stems and ensure the edges are not visible. I typically start by placing greenery in my arrangement, but in this case I will insert my main flower stems first, followed by the greenery. My centerpiece flowers will be red Asian lilies. Pre-measure the height you need and cut the lily stems to the size. Make sure that your cut is clean and at a 45-degree angle to increase water absorption from the florifoam. Dip the stems in the glass of water for a few seconds to avoid air pockets. I always have a glass of water on the table while making arrangements. You can also notice that I'm placing all the lily stems in triangle pyramidal shape, keeping them close to each other and applying the 3-5-8 height ratio rule, when the tallest flower should extend upwards for the height. The medium flowers should create movement and bridge the tallest and shortest, and the shortest flowers should be near the base. Now let's add some greenery. I will start with my largest pieces, such as this beautiful fascia leaf, which will cover most of the floral foam. Next, I add a cordyline black tie for a nice color contrast. It is useful to spray it with some leaf shine to increase the color. You can make an interesting twist by making a bow from it. To secure the bow in place, cut a piece of 20 or 22 gauge wire and bend it into a hook. Carefully insert it through the leaf and into the floral. I'm also using leather leaves with a fine texture, and while I will cover some of the floriform, I won't overstuff it. I believe it's important to leave some breathing space. My other greenery is Ruscus leaves. Remember to smooth the stems where the leaves were attached. Inserting stems without cleaning them up first could damage the structure of the floral foam. Let's add some red roses. Feel free to remove any unnecessary or untrue petals. Cut the stems at the angle and insert all of them closely together. Continue adding other flowers, such as green spray mums. I love incorporating Gerbera daisy. To extend its lifespan, I cut its stem shorter and insert it into a water tube, as Gerbera does not last very well when placed directly into the florofoam. By mixing different sizes and shapes of blooms, you will create beautiful depth and texture and movement in your arrangement. To contour the height of the arrangement, I added lime green leucadendron for a tropical touch. I also included a few pieces of steel grass and twisted them together, securing them with a very fine gold.